Hey, this is David with another techie review. Today we're going to be talking about the Digipower Achiever Meeting Essential Kit. This is a light set that you can use for recording yourself. You're actually seeing some of that effect right now on the screen because I have the light sitting over here next to me. So let me show you what this looks like when it's all put together. So you have the blaring light kit that blaring light that you're seeing in your face there. So I'll turn that around so you get a little bit less blare. You've got the phone holder here, and then you have the mounting or the stand, which is telescoping. It'll run from 9¼ inches up to 14½ inches, I believe. And then this heavy mounting base, which has rubber feet on it, so it stays on your stand right there. A couple other accessories that come with the unit is you have a cold shoe for mounting on a DSLR or some other item if you need the light there, and you have micro USB charging cable. It can also be charged. The light can also be charged via USB-C. The light itself has three modes, as they call it. So you've got this mode, which is the medium mode. You have the bright mode, and then you have a soft light mode there. And at each level, you have 10 settings of brightness. And you can see I'm adjusting these here and adjusting these down, so you can see that it does give you some versatility. I'm going to turn this off so it's not so bright on your face. All this kit comes in a nice case. You can see it's got foam rubber and it's got cutouts for everything here, so this is really nice. The last accessory that comes with this kit is what I would call a phone ring or a phone clip. It also works well on a laptop, so I'm just going to bring in my Surface here, and I'm going to put the light on the top of this. It clips in, it goes through the ring, and let's just get the camera open here real quick. There we go. And with the camera open, you can see that it's shooting through the hole in the ring, and if I turn the light on, of course it will be bright again. And so you have a nice way of recording video depending on which mode you're at and where you're at. You could also use this by itself. I mean, you could take this off and set it on a side or clip it on something else, or use the light ring on a different tripod, and you could see everything you need. So this is a really nice kit. It has lots of nice features that aren't available in other kits. However, I still think that this one, which retails for $59.99, and it's the mid-range of this Digipower series that they have here. It's probably a little high-priced. I looked at other sources and other light kits on the web doing research on this kit, and some other kits you might get like a shotgun microphone holder, and the price is $20 to $25 cheaper than this particular item. I don't know any of those other than just seeing what they are and what features they offer. So different feature sets, different features. For example, the other one that might have a shotgun microphone might not have the heavy metal base. It might just be a clip onto something. So you've got to weigh it for yourself and understand what the item is about. So, but otherwise, this is a pretty nice little kit. You can do some good video recording with your phone, and it has some versatility. Again, I've used it as a webcam stand since I've had it, so lots of versatile items that are there. Overall, this is a really good device, maybe a little high-priced, but otherwise, I think it probably gets features. It's on the high end of 4. Price, it's probably on the high end of 3, maybe a little bit lower, so I would say it's on the borderline between a 3 and a 4. I'll cheat just a little high and give it a 4, but this has been David with another techie review. Check it out. Please like and subscribe, and watch my other videos, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you, and have a great day.